Hello, I'm Heather Payne and I'm a paediatrician, a children's doctor, and I work at the Welsh Government, so I help to look after all the 600,000 children and young people in Wales. It's a worrying time for us all. Covid is not over, but children really need to be getting back to school for their well-being and learning, as we're all easing out of lockdown. As we go into the winter months, there will be more coughs, colds and sniffles around, and it could be difficult to tell the difference between symptoms of different illnesses. That's why I want to talk to parents and carers about how and when you should test your child for Covid. It's essential that if you think your child has symptoms, they stay at home. They don't come to school, and you do follow the self-isolation guidance until you can get a test for them. The main symptoms are a high temperature or fever. This means your child will feel hot to touch on their chest or back. A new continuous cough. This means coughing a lot for more than an hour, or 3 or more coughing episodes in 24 hours, or a loss or change to your sense of smell or taste. If your child does not have symptoms of Covid but has other cold-like symptoms like a runny nose, they don't need to be tested or self-isolate. It's important to remember this so that we can all continue to protect the NHS in Wales and make sure people who really need tests can have them.